Alrighty, guys, welcome back to Yankee Bravo Aviation. The time has come. So we're excited to do this giveaway. 100 subscribers was kind of our first goal. We have since surpassed that by a fair margin. And, luckily that may be the best thing that ever came out of this annual. Those videos did pretty well. We got a lot of subscribers from it.
People love misery.
Yeah, so we're there. This is going to be one of many. Our mission statement when we first started this channel was to be able to give back. I hope you all have noticed that with the Pilots and Paws flights and the giveaways, and there will be more to come, we promise. So
absolutely.
It is our big mission in life to be able to give. We've been very blessed, and we have a wonderful life, and we feel the only way to keep that is by giving back. So let's get on with it.
All right, can you hold it up?
I'll hold it.
All right.
Closing my eyes, not looking.
See who the lucky winner is. All right. We have Son of a Republic.
Perfect.
So, congratulations.
I'm going to go double. I shorthanded a few of these. I don't know if that's 100% the right name, but they're distinguishable. So we'll definitely get that. I'm going to be replying to your comment. I'm also going to ask that you verify who you are some way. We'll figure that out. But congratulations. We hope this helps in your aviation journey. And like we've said 100 times before, we can't wait to do more. So keep subscribing, keep watching. And the rest of this video is going to be an oil change and a review of the ceramic coating and whether or not it was actually worth getting. And as of right now, I'm still never doing another oil change. I say it every time I do an oil change. I will be doing the next one. But as it stands right now, I won't be doing another one. I hate them, especially on the Mooney. But it is a good time to kind of overlook everything. And unfortunately, I had to take a minute today to step away, gather myself, and get back on it. So that's kind of where the rest of this video goes. So it's kind of entertaining to watch. But anyways, guys, thank y'all. Stick around, watch the rest of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Alrighty, guys, look at this aviation wife of the year. Cleaning it up. This is our first cleanup after about 20 hours on the ceramic coat. And Bree, what are your thoughts?
I mean, I think it looks really good. Like, I thought it looked good from before we even started cleaning it.
Yeah, I mean, it was starting to show a little bit of dirt, but
like very, very little compared to before when we had it done.
Yeah, I feel like it probably takes the cleaning and cuts it down by 2/3. Yeah, I think that would be a good estimate.
And there's a nice shine to it.
Yeah, it does, and the good thing about it is just afterwards we just do a quick detail, and when I say quick detail, I mean the quick detail spray, and then it's right back to being like we just waxed it. So whatever amount of time you spend waxing your airplane, just deduct that after a ceramic coat, multiply that by how many times a year you do a wax, and then multiply that by 7, because this thing is warranted for 7 years, and that's the amount of time it'll save you. Beautiful December day. It's 55 degrees out, not a cloud in the sky, no wind. Every pilot I've talked to just said it's absolutely gorgeous up there. And Captain Idiot over here decides today's the day to do an oil change with 10 days of rain in the forecast. So
we're enjoying it from the ground.
Yeah. I didn't think that went all the way through, but I had an opportunity. I had 30 hours on the oil. And really, I don't like going over 25, especially after annual. Really wanted to get in and look at everything. So far, so good. And Bree's really excited about the ceramic coating because it just saved her
a bunch of time. So yeah, using the cleaner only took like 10 minutes to wipe everything down, as opposed to the maybe hour that the both of us spend cleaning it.
Yeah, and when I say an hour cleaning it, that's just on a normal weekly basis. When we do a full detail and wax it, that's probably a 5 to 6 hour ordeal. And with the ceramic coating, it's literally spray and wipe. So
yeah, a lot easier.
So it saves Bree a lot of time because she's my detail oriented.
Get into the small cracks.
Yes. So once again, I'm reminding myself of why I don't want to do my own oil changes anymore. I call Bree every time and tell her I'm never doing it again. And guess what? I do it every single time.
And I kind of think that maybe he somewhat enjoys it, but then when he's in the moment, he realizes he hates it. But then after the fact, he's very grateful. So I feel like it's like a love-hate relationship.
It's right now. It's hate. As you can see, I'm mid oil change. I hear every plane in the pattern, and that's just where I want to be. So, other than that, congratulations to our winner. We're looking forward to getting that out to you. Let us know whether or not you're going to choose a gift card or a flight experience. We would be happy to do either. And if you're local, we'd love to hand deliver it too. But obviously, it cost versus benefit does come into play a little bit. So, anyways, stick around. We have a bunch of flights coming up. We're both off on a Sunday this week.
I know, that's different.
And I just confirmed I'm off your birthday weekend. So we'll do something special for that coming up too. Anyways, we appreciate all the support. We've, last 28 days up.
It's like exploded, I feel.
Nah, exploded.
Well,
Exploded's not the word, but the growth has been good. It's been very encouraging. We do appreciate every single subscriber. It really does mean a lot. Every time we get a notification, it really does make our day a little bit better. We want to do some really special things. I'm a dreamer. I dream big, and I tend to go after my dreams.
You hit the ground running.
Yes. So one day, I would love to build my own airport and call it Aviation Ranch, where it's just about general aviation. I have found, especially the airport we're at, they're not real GA friendly. Here in the Richmond area, there's one airport that's really good for GA, but the waiting list on the hangars is 40 deep. It's 55 minutes from the house. And here they just don't care about us. They really don't. And I'd love one day to open up an airport or have my own, have our house located on a piece of land where we have our own airport with a hangar, and really just give back to the community. Have an open door policy, fly-ins, whatever. If I could dream of a perfect life, that would be it for us. So either that or a boat in the Bahamas, but one of the two is gonna happen. So anyways, like I said, guys, we do really appreciate it, and we really, really hope this gift card goes a long way. So,
Congratulations!
if it inspires somebody to start a new chapter in their life, it makes all of this worth it. So, stick around, guys. We have a bunch of videos coming up, and can't wait to share the experience with you. Have a good one.